Civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for the following Texas counties. Gaines. Effective until March 4, 2007:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Due to extreme weather conditions per communications from Xcel Energy, we may experience power outages throughout the day. Tuesday, March 4th. It is critical that citizens conserve water usage to help maintain adequate supply levels. Thank you for your cooperation and support.
Missing person alert. The Chatham County Police Department is working to locate a woman last seen Monday morning. 27-year-old Marlia Lewis was last seen by her mother leaving her residence in the 100 block of Vale Loop around 6 a.m. on Monday, March 3, 2025. Lewis stated she was going to a park in Richmond Hill, but did not specify which park. She has not been in contact with her family since. Lewis needs medication that she does not have with her. Lewis was driving a 2017 black Infiniti Q50 with Georgia license tag RWW0850. Lewis is 4 feet 11 inches and has straight, long black hair and brown eyes. She has a tattoo on her right inner wrist, and was last seen wearing a white, cami-style top and blue jeans. Anyone with information about Lewis' whereabouts is asked to contact the Chatham County Police Department at 912-652-6500.
The civil authority has issued immediate evacuation notice for the following counties or areas. Bixar, Texas, at 1:15 p.m. on March 4, 2025, effective until 3:15 p.m. Bixar County Office of Emergency Management. Wildfire spreading rapidly in the area. Evacuate area immediately and avoid until further notice.